Ford Focus and Fiesta, 2012 through 2018 on the Focus, 2011 through 2019 on the Fiesta. The dual clutch automatic transmission. Boy, do I have some good news for you guys. This is a LuK rep set, LuK rep set, I apologize. And it appears that they fixed something. You see this box here? It had this throwout bearing in it. That's right, they've got all this miscellaneous hardware in a box now, and inside of that box there's this one with extra packing in it. You got the throwout bearing. In the past, they would kind of just have this in here, I believe, in a bag, and it would just kind of bounce around and get crushed, and this collar would get damaged and fall off in shipping. And there's a lot of people who have had to make claims and send that back and get a whole new kit. And it appears they finally got the memo, and they're packing these a little differently now. If you guys had concerns about ordering your clutch online, don't worry, because it looks like this issue's fixed. Alright guys, not the longest video in the world, but some important information there regarding this dual clutch automatic DPS6 transmission. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you got any questions, you can post them in the comments below, or I've got a Facebook and Discord group that you can join. Once in a while I'll hop in there and answer questions as well. Alright, take care you guys.